Hey you guys, it's your girl Stephanie, and today we're gonna be unboxing some new products. Let's get it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you'd like this to become a recurring series, and if this first video reaches 3,000 likes, we might just do that. Let's get started. Here we go. Ready? First box. Here we go. I saw this in the grid. Moving the box. These are pencil cases. Who makes these? Raymay, of course. They're so smart. This is the Detecool? Yes, Detecool Mobile. This is super cool. I'm gonna just do it. You're just gonna watch me experience it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna pull this side. This side, magnetized. Ready? Should I point it towards? I'll point it towards you. Ready? And then, hey, guess what, buddy? It's magnetized on this side, so it holds it. And then you're gonna do this. So cute, so smart. Small pocket for erasers, pencil leads, etc. Also another small pocket here, and then when it's in, it'll just stand good. Or if you need it to lean out towards you, also good. These, wait, did these come out? Am I gonna break this product? No, I'm not. You could take out the inserts if you need bigger things in this hole, but I'm gonna put this back. Because sometimes you just need a little extra storage. Sometimes you just need the highlighters on one side, pencils on the other side. Are these? Yes, they are. You can put small rulers, small size, big size. There's a bigger size, okay. Wasn't prepared for that, I'm gonna tell you that much. Okay, whoa. No small pocket here, but that's okay. And I like that you get to keep the small pocket up top, because why wouldn't you? Oh, no pockets on this one. All right, 2 sizes, 5 colors each. My favorite for the big size, it's only because I like shiny so much that I like the Pearl Aqua. Small sizes, I really like the burgundy. It's really, really pretty. Fall, autumnal. Sorry, definitely shouldn't be doing that. Oh, so nice. Does anyone else save washi tape from things? I don't know why. You just have to. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm not looking. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. I'm gonna put this away. Sorry, I just got really excited. Because you know when you see the monocolors and you get like super excited because you know exactly what you're getting? Tombow monograph ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen, they say. These are in 0.5 millimeter. These are all the ones that I have. Any other available sizes?
Yes.
Yes,
0.38.
0.38. We get even thinner. I just like, oh, we got a grippy section, which my grip doesn't really, as you can see, my grip doesn't really do anything with that, but.
Don't come for me.
Don't come, listen. I like it. It's smooth, it's nice. 0.38, really?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. So small, so child, baby. I like it. Cute. Okay, which color is your favorite? 4 different colors, red, blue, silver, green. Then for monocolor, you have black, blue, and red. Me personally, I would get the mono set because iconic, just, you know, the marketing thing does it to me and I have to buy them.
Yeah, I'm more of a gel pen person, but I would probably try these.
They're nice. Yeah. Ready? Okay, here we go. Oh, this is heavy. Or heavier than what I had. Oh yeah, this is the last one. Last one?
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Okay.
Because they all go together.
I want this olive colored tape, super cute. But I don't need any more washi tape. See, me, the hoarder, I would put this in my Hobonichi Techo as like a memory. Oh, I think I spoiled it. I think I know what these are. Are these the Pokemon Mildliner sets? Yeah, they are. Oh, okay, all right. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Oh my God, all of them. I just saw these yesterday in the grid. I nearly said a cuss word. These. Okay, don't violently shake. Just line up the babies. Also, I'll show you this. Look at this sweet boy.
Oh, Dragonite's one of my favorites.
Okay, I saw these and I said to myself, do I need these? Because I think Slowpoke is on one of these. That's the only one I want. First set, cute Pikachu on it. Not fat, not surfing. I have Slowpoke, super cute. This is the only one that I want. I have, this is a newer generation Pokemon. It looks like a Corgi. I don't know its name and I'm so sorry. What?
Yamper.
Yamper?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, it has a little heart on its butt. Yamper.
It's a Corgi.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Okay, Yamper. Sorry, Yamper, I didn't know your name. Pikachu. Okay, Eevee, classic. Gary had it. Gary gets an Eevee, and I don't. We won't go into it. Oh, it's a Ponyta, but it's.
Galarian.
Excuse me?
It's a Galarian Ponyta. It's a region-specific Ponyta.
Got it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No worries.
The last one I played was Diamond, and then, no, I played X. I don't remember which came before the other.
Yeah, people are going to find out how big of a Pokemon nerd I am.
It's so cute. It's like made out of cotton candy. Okay.
It's like My Little Pony.
Yeah.
Ponyta. My Little Ponyta.
Oh, so cute. It just needs a cutie mark. Next set. Oh, I like that they're, okay, so there are just illustrations on these and they're all gonna be Pikachu. Pikachu silhouette, super cute. Okay. Oh, this one's cute. Oh, it's smiling. Am I opening these?
Yes.
All right. These are super cute. Similar style to these Mildliners. Oh, so cute, so happy, heart eyes emoji.
They're different sizes each set. Yeah.
Oh, okay. These are 0.4 millimeter. This set 0.5. Okay.
They decided to use different body colors
Okay.
with different inks.
Okay.
Yeah, but it tells you on the packaging what ink comes in.
Right.
Yeah.
Love Yamper. I'm starting to come around on Yamper, I won't lie. Oh. Ah. Stop it. Okay. I can do it. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh. These are the Kuru Toga mechanical pencils, and they are just kawaii. Sorry. It's so cute. It's like this other one. Oh my gosh. Man. Oh.
Can you describe it?
It's just really cute. Pikachu's just so cute. I'm just feeling like my nostalgia's getting me. Okay. I'm gonna show it off here. Is that okay? Okay. Look at this sweet boy. A very good boy. Does his absolute. If Psyduck was in here, it'd be game over. I like the purple. Super cute. Probably the purple lilac-y color, and this has black in it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, both the purple and the brown actually have black in it.
Oh. Probably this set. Design-wise, probably this one. Because it's so cute. Do you see it? Like a beauty guru. Do you see? We hope you enjoyed this video. Which of these products was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. You can shop all of these products. They are now live on our website, JetPens.com, the place for pen and stationery lovers. What else am I saying? Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. I did at the Pokemon Center I think it was in Tokyo. I have a Vaporeon one. Excellent.
I know. I was at the Pokemon TCG regionals in San Diego.
Oh my god, what a nerd this kid. It evolves into something, doesn't it?
Yes, but which one? I have the card.
Josh has the card.
I played the card in my Pikarom deck.
I'm learning all new things about Josh right now.
Oh my god. Why am I?
I'm looking at Onyx, make a staircase, and then he goes, I know what I'm about. Okay. I could do portions of the Poke Rap. Don't come for me. Okay, next. Charmeleon, Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Catch 'em all, Pokemon.